This layer keeps heat inside the oven and reduces temperatures at the exterior cob shell. Keep insulation and cob away from required chimney airspaces and inspection points. Notice how the smoke rises smoothly? All joints are completely sealed. No leaks at all. Perfect draw. Perfect draw. Let's add the high temp insulation. Cover the dome completely. Secure it firmly. This system is now approved. Use straw only in the cooler outer shell. Never use it directly against the fire brick chamber. Avoid placing it against the flue or chimney, unless an approved design specifically permits it. Apply the cob shell. Use manageable layers over the insulation. Shape it around the dome. Keep the oven opening clear. Clear the chimney and the damper. Clear clean-out doors and fire clearances. When building with cob, remember this one rule. Never let wet cob press against steel. Always use a protective sleeve. Hi, I'm calling to confirm my new coverage. You must allow the cob to dry slowly. Do not build a large fire while it is wet. Trapped moisture will cause cracking. Let's repair these drying cracks. Apply an earthen or lime-based finish. This is suitable for heated masonry. Avoid paints or sealants. They release fumes when heated. Wood smoke contains fine particles. It has harmful gases too. So correct venting is important, even if it seems normal. We start with a small fire. We must cure it very gradually. This first fire must be brief. Later we can increase it. Let's build a cob seat. Mix clay, sand, and straw. Rain can damage unprotected cob, so give it a roof. Let's gather cob. You need clay subsoil. Get coarse sand. Sharp sand is best. Add plenty of straw, it provides strength. And clean water to mix it all. Avoid topsoil with... Now let's build. Protect your cob seat from moisture. First, place it under a roof. Add a sloped, water-resistant cap. Maintain a raised masonry base. Enjoy your durable cob seat. For an indoor oven, the safest plan is a licensed mason builds the fire brick oven. A certified chimney professional installs the flue. Cob is added afterward as the exterior thermal mass. For an indoor seat, build on a suitable masonry or reinforced floor, following any necessary structural guidance. Let's get started. Remove the grass. Dig to firm soil. Add gravel. Compact it. Build a base. Keep it high. Add sand if the sample develops major shrinkage cracks. Add more clay-rich soil if it crumbles. Let's mix up some cob. Now add some water, stomp it all down. Build a solid base. Solid as a rock. Solid as a rock. Let's decide on the perfect chair size. Plan for a seat height of 16 inches and a depth of around 18. Width should be 22 inches per person. Always draw it out first. It. Verify that the floor bench can weigh several hundred pounds. Choose the location. Pick a firm, level area. Keep it away from roof runoff. Keep it away from roof runoff. Let's apply the plaster. First, the rough base coat. Now, the leveling coat. Finally, the smooth finish coat. Small cracks are common. Let's fix them. For shallow cracks, use clay and sand. Smooth it out. For deeper cracks, open them slightly, dampen the area, roll some fresh cob. Allow each layer to firm up. Let each lift become firm before adding more. Roughen the top of a dry layer. Dampen it slightly before adding fresh cob. These trigger additional requirements. Build your armrests. Make them part of the seat. Keep them broad and rounded. Interlock fresh cob deeply, right into the seat and backrest. Make sure to lean it back, keep it thick at the base. Looks perfect.
Let's decide what kind of garage we are building. We need to write down every proposed operation. Now we add the appropriate guidelines.
Let's see if the dimensions match. Hey, Tro! Make sure your seat is completely dry. Add a removable cushion, but avoid vinyl. Good cob needs strong feet and protected sides. Let the seat dry. Protect it from rain and freezing temperatures. Allow airflow around it. Do not use it yet. We need to reshape. First, smooth the sitting surface. This paddle helps shape the back support. Keep your pressure even and steady. Then, round off all the corners. Scoop out legroom.
Stop using the oven. If a carbon monoxide alarm sounds, smoke enters the room, the chimney fails to draft, or structural cracks appear. Stop using the oven. If a carbon monoxide alarm sounds, smoke enters the room, the chimney fails to draft, or structural cracks appear.
A mechanic garage shouldn't be designed like a cob building. Heavy loads require an engineered system, like steel frames and reinforced concrete. The cob provisions in the International Residential Code were written for 1- and 2-family residential construction, not a commercial repair garage, so a commercial project would need approval under the Commercial Code. A good cob seat needs strong, dry feet. It also needs a protected top. Add a cushion if desired. Flatten the sitting area. Make the front edge round, angle it slightly back. This prevents water pooling. Now check the height. For a large seat, you can create a lightweight inner core. Use approved stone, masonry, or tightly packed mineral material. Then cover it with thick. Do not use loose household trash or materials that rot. Let's see if this mixture holds together firmly. It resists breaking and has only minor cracks. Best of all, it doesn't crumble easily. This is a perfect mix. Let's make a small test batch. Add 1 part of clay-rich soil, then 2 to 3 parts of sand. Mix these dry ingredients together. Add just enough water for a firm mix. Finally, fold in the straw. Let's build. Place the first layer. Make it thick. Press it firmly. No air pockets. Looks great.